up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys some new products that just launched by Morphe. This is the new Mega Matte Lipsticks by Morphe with Nikita Dragun. Well, she's the face of it and they definitely did a beautiful job. Like, I wish I had some latex clothing, a red wig, but sadly I don't have none of that. So today I am going to be sharing with you guys this makeup tutorial and as well as some sort of first impression of their new Mega Matte lipsticks. These lipsticks will retail for $9. They will be available on their website and I'm sure like somewhere in online and in store and also in Ulta.com, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I'll make sure to leave all that detail down below. Anyways, let's get right into this tutorial because I know you guys probably are wondering how to create this. By the way, this is the look that she has on her catalog for the campaign and I think it's such a gorgeous look, so I had to recreate it. I know it's not the same, but I tried, okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Sparkling Babe fam. Until next time, you guys, let's get right into it. So of course I want to show you guys the beautiful PR packaging that I received this lipsticks in. Once again, these are the Mega Matte Lipsticks by Morphe. They retail for $9 and will be available on online and in store at Morphe.com. I believe I have to check that out. I'll make sure to leave you guys all the details down below in the description box, so make sure you guys see that there just in case I misinform you of anything here while my voiceover goes on. Anyways, we're starting with the first shade, which is the shade Dominant. You guys can see how opaque these lipsticks are. They're truly pigmented and I'm absolutely obsessing over the red lipsticks. Next, I got the second shade is the shade Stimmy. Then the third shade that I'm showing you guys is the shade Morphe, and then the fourth shade, which is like an orangey, is super pretty, is the shade called Tease, and then the last shade is called Lover. So here's a comparison between of all the shades. You can see the different color, the different undertones. They're super pretty, you guys. Definitely loving how pigmented they are. Here once again on the lips, definitely had to swatch it for you guys to show you how they look on the lips. And this is a little transferring kiss that I did for you guys. So you guys can see how they look or how they transfer. I will be showing you a little bit more update on by the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end to see the whole entire like little update throughout the day that I did. Anyway, starting with the eyes, I'm starting with this shade using the Nubian 2 palette by I forgot the brand of this. I don't know why I did, but anyways, let's start with this first shade, which is called Morocco. It's a beautiful orangey shade. I'm here trying to recreate the catalog, the Nikita catalog look that she had going on. I tried my best to recreate this look. It's absolutely beautiful and out of my comfort zone. Just kidding, you guys, just kidding. I do these looks for a living. Anyways, and next I'm moving on to the shade Kenya. I'm not sure how to pronounce none of the shades, but I am trying my best. I applied this on the outer part of the lid, just kind of to darken and create more depth to the look. And of course, you guys always gotta remember to blend everything out, and you can always go back and, you know, reapply to kind of get that pigment going on. Anyways, moving on, I am applying a little bit of concealer just to cut the crease a little bit more, and I'm applying the beautiful shade called Suri. I think that's how you apply, that's how you pronounce it. It's a gorgeous light shade that I love how it looks. And then for the color that is between the dark color and the light shade, I'm kind of blending the edges just to blend those two colors there. And moving on to my lower lash, I'm applying a little bit of that shade Kenya once again on my lower lash, and I'm kind of winging out the lower lash as well, as you can see there. I'm not really sure how you will call that lower lash other than a wing out inside reverse type of thing. I did my whole foundation off camera just because I want to fast forward this look to make it short and quick for you guys. I did apply some lashes, also a little bit of mascara, a little bit of black eyeliner, and I went in with a shade Steamy, I believe. I don't even remember, but it's such a gorgeous shade, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This is the final look, and let me know what you guys think. You guys, just wanted to quickly show you a little bit update on the lipstick. I did wear this for a couple hours now. I ate, the lipstick is still intact, it's still on my mouth, but it does transfer to my chin right here. I always have the problem with a few lipsticks, except when they're like super matte and nothing creamy that could transfer around, but usually I do have that problem that my lipsticks do transfer to my chin. I don't know, maybe I eat too fast or something, I'm not sure. But the lipstick, although it did held up pretty good, like it's still not moving I still have lipstick everywhere, you know, like it's so good. Not everywhere, but I mean, like the pigment is still there. It's still good. The only thing is this transferring, but it's still there. So definitely thumbs up to this lipstick because it's so good, so opaque, so good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumb up this video, share it with your friends to help me out. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts and opinion. I always love to write back to you to talk to you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video.